Good day, everyone. This is the dashboard for the Goba. I will just go quick on tutorial how to use it. Is In the long run here there will be a pie chart that shows you how the sales is going and order when one order starts to go on, and it will appear. It is just an automated calculator and showing you how everything is running. And the first thing, we will go to stores. On this navigation, you see this navigation is got store, item menu, users, orders, modules, and settings. We will go through all of this, and what you see here, it is what it is in the app already. You see, if you go to the app, you will see the vodka, wine, brandy, beer, gin. These are the stores that are appearing on the app. These are the categories that you have requested. So whenever the user goes in there, they will see that okay, they want gin, they will click on gin. And then how to add this, you come here. As you are using this system for a single store, you use this to share that the shelf, to sell that the shelves of wines, there are a lot of wines, different prices, and vodkas and everything. So what we do here, when you want to upload, perhaps you have a bulk of the gins that you want to upload, you come here, press bulk, and then when you are here, you will upload that file which is in CSV file for the sales that you have. But if you want to add individually, you can come here and add store. Then it will pop up. If let's say that you have another name called Jumbo, this is the Jumbo store that inside your main store that you have, and then the description of it, the picture of it, and then you give it the picture, and then you come to rating. How are you rating it? How is it selling? 1 to 5, you give it 5. And then approximate time for delivery. How long does it take after an order has been placed to deliver? Is it 30 minutes? Is it an hour? You write there. You can type, and you can just type 60 minutes. You can type one. You can just type in minutes. You can't say one. You can just type in minutes. And then the price for two. Are you selling price for two? If not, you leave it blank. But if you are selling price for two, and maybe you are saying two, if you buy two you go with 70, then you're going to put that one. And your address, just put your address, the address of the store where you are. It is where you are located. And the pin code, put your postal code here. Just use your postal code in everything. In the standard, use your postal code. Landmark, which is the closest building are you close with there. You can just put, we are close to maybe the registration number there. You're going to put it there. So here is the most important thing: latitude and longitude. I will always support you with this one so that you cannot go wrong whenever you meet problem here. If you put this one wrong, it will this determines clients and customers to tell them whether you are available in the area of delivery or you are not available. So what you need to do, you need to come here in maps. You need to just open Google Maps. Just open Google Maps. You can just come here, maybe say you say Cape. If you say Cape Town, that is where you are. You say Cape Town, and then you click on maps. You click on maps. Let's just scroll here. You can specify Cape Town, where in Cape Town. You say river. You can say river gates or anything. Riverside Mall. You can specify anything. Then Riverside Mall will appear here. So this map, it is the map that will tell people whether you are here or you are not. So what we do here to do that as integrated, you right click, you click here where you are available. You right click here, and then you say what is here, and then you come here, and then you click those numbers, what is here. When you say what is, you click what is here, you click in the numbers that will come here, this minus 33, and these are the numbers. This is the longitude and the latitude. This is the number you're going to copy, and then this is the latitude, and then this number that does not have a minus, it starts with 1, and after the dot it is your longitude. So this will tell people that if for an instant, because this is the location where you are located and you are not here in this location, because we have put a longitude and latitude of here, if this person here tries to order from you, it will tell him we are not covered here. But if they are covered here, we will have to use as well as the coverage that can support every surrounding area. So we are going to come here, and you come here and go down certificates of your store. If you have a certificate, you can name it here. The charges, do you charge for extra delivery or packaging? You can charge delivery. Is this on self pick or both self pick and delivery? Just put both. Somebody can you can deliver, and somebody can order. They can also collect if they want. And delivery right just in kilometers. How far are you willing to deliver as in kilometers? Is it in 100 kilos? Is it in 70? Or you name it here. If you set this one, maybe is a gene, you say that we are only delivering for 70 kilometers. If somebody is 71 or upwards, they won't be able to order. They will tell them it will tell them, sorry, you are not covered in your area. So whatever the kilos that you need to put. Delivery charge, are you charging for delivery? If no, just leave it blank. And is it dynamic? Delivery charge, is it dynamic? When you press dynamic, it will pop up base delivery charge in rands. You're just going to type here, and then based delivery distance in kilos, extra delivery, and in kilos. So here you're going to this is the base. You're going to say 69 is 69 rand per maybe 60 kilos, and then extra charge, you're going to say perhaps 90 rand per 100 kilos or 100 kilos. But if you don't want to charge this way, you just want to put a fixed charge price, then you just put that fixed charge price is rand, or if you're not charging, then you leave it. And then this is eventually you just leave it here, just leave it as white, and this one tick it to blue. And here minimum order price, you have to put the minimum order price. How much is the minimum order price for a delivery? Is it 70 rand? Anything that you want to put. And commission, no, leave it blank. This for the commission is unless you want other stores or other shops to use your system, then you want to charge them for using your app to sell in your app. If you want to do that one, then you will have to charge them this. It will be on you. But if you want to only use it for yourself, leave it this way. But if somebody want to sell in your app, you will do that. But for now, because it is only your system that use it like this, because it is for single, and then you will click save. Everything will be saved as it is with this one. So when you are done, you're going to come here, items and menu. Click on category. Menu category. These are the categories that for your categories of everything that you are selling in the store, and these are the categories here that I have added: brandy, wine, vodka, extra. And to add, you just simply click add, give it a name, and then add it. Then it is done. And then you come to items. These are the items. Remember, there on the store, when the stores that you were putting there, when you come to add item, you will give the item name and the item description. What is it that you're selling? Or you can just description, you can just give anything that you want to say. You can just say price, how much is it? Is it 15 rand? And item store, where are we finding this item? Is it going to be on under wine store? Is it going to be under brandy store? Is it going to be under beers? Is it going to be whichever the store that is going to be under? You just give it item category, and then you name it. The category is going to be under let's just say wine. The store is wine, and then category is also wine. There is no add-ons here for anything, unless if you want to add add-ons, like we will go there and add-ons. If you say smoke and whatever mentions, you can do the add-ons right there. And here when you go down, you will be given an option for picture. You have to add a picture of the item, or you can just click and then you're going to get the picture of an item. After that, press is recommended, is popular, and is new, and then save. Click save. It will be saved under a specific store of your choice. So here, one thing that I have to show: after you save a store, you have to assign the store. You have to come here and click on edit, and then when you come here on edit, after that, let's go here. I just want to show you store category. Which category is this store falling under? Because it is gin, you will not assign this store under brandy or cedar. It will confuse your customer. Just put it under gin. So whosoever press gin, it will automatically go to all the categories of gins there, and then you update your store, you save. And if here you want auto accept order, you can click it right. And if you want to schedule, on schedule is where you want to schedule when to close or when you are open. You can click this one. I will show you on the later stage. Then let us go now. We are done with that one. With users is easy. You are going to, if you want to add a user, you want to add a driver, you just the role, you just going to a driver, stock owner, or a customer. You can just add one of these and give them a role and add their email and password. They can also register by themselves with this one. Orders will pop up. You will, when an order is here, you will assign approve order, assign a driver if he's going out, and they will use their app for everything. And then you come here to the modules. On the modules, promo slider, these are the promotional slider that are showing on the app. The first promotional sliders that are on the app that you see, and then these are the promos. What you do, I will add as I have already added it, that one. You don't have to just I just give it any name is fine. And then when you want to add a slider, you can always add or always edit. For this one that I have added here, you can edit a name, you can edit a picture, and this link it is where if somebody click on this picture, it will lead them to vodka store. So when you assign a link, make sure if you are putting a vodka picture here, you must also give it a category link for vodka or anything, which I have already added them for you there. And then that's how you're going to use this store. When you just come to promotion, you just click promotion, and when you are here, you will see this one is active, and then you come to edit, and then these pictures will be here for the promotion. You can add slider when you click add slider, and then it will come here, give it a name, upload a picture for the slider, assign a link for gene, and then that is it. And then when you come here to store category, these store categories appears on an app like this, the vodka, and then as categories. So all these categories I have added as given. If you want to add a category, you can come here and say add new, give it a name, save, and close. And then these categories, there are the circle categories that will be sliders from the first store on an app. So you design them here. If you want them to be a square, you will put them to appear as a square or standard or circular. If you want those pictures to be extra small, smaller, medium, or extra large, you control here to whatever that you want, and then you will save. And then after saving, you scroll down and add a slide. These are the slides that I have added. And then you come here, add a slide, and then add the slide name, a picture, and a link. And then this link are the store categories. It will be on a store category. If you add a picture and say link to Jean, also link to Brandy, it will link there. But if you want it to link only to Jean, it will link there, and give it a picture and a name. Is done. If you want to delete them, add new ones. That is how it's going to do. And then coupons, if you want to give the promotions and all that, discount, you're going to name the promotion for maybe vodka, description, and a code. Give it your own code, maybe US 78 and what, and then you know that you have put this vodka on discount, and if people buy. And then discount type, is it percentage or it is fixed? And then you give a discount, coupon discount. You give it here expiry date of the discount or promotions, and is it under all stores? You can check, is it only for brandies or is it in everything, or is it only on vodka? You can mention here. And then maximum number of use, you can mention here. And is active, always put is active. If you put is not active, then in the app it will not show an option for this promotion and the coupon that you want. And then okay, then that is that. And then this one, don't use it only as a support, as a developer. I will use it. Okay, if you want to add a page in the app, you want to pass this, do not remove this driver register, do not remove this, do not edit this, unless you want something, and then you can edit whatever that you're going to add here as a page and the description of the page. Perhaps you want an app to have another page that you want to inform your customer about anything, just edit there. It will appear on a user dashboard, but this one I prefer that you do not use it. And then popular geolocations, these are the locations where you are delivering. I have added them, silver oak, rocks, and everything. So I suggest that with these ones, if you are not sure yet on how to set them, inquire with me. I will support you. So when you add a location, you have to give it a name and latitude and longitude. It is on the map. So here you use the same of this. Just copy this and copy this latitude and also copy this longitude, and control there on the store by the kilos that you offer. Always, maybe if you want to add another location name, add that location name, and with that location name also add this latitude and longitude, and then it will appear on the app for location. Okay, and then this here, you deliver location. Translations, do not touch here. It's only don't touch here. And store layout, don't touch that. And then deliver a collection. When you want to see the collection, just come here to deliver collections. Delivery log, you're just going to come here and search what is happening. Wallet, you're just going to see the amount that you are making. Reports of everything that is going in your store this week, last week, and everything that is happening. And here on the settings, general setting, these are the store the store name. The store name, you can change it here. And currency is our South African. Just this one, just leave as I have set by the standard. Just leave it as I have stand by unless you want to change a name here. You can just come and name it here. Design, this is where you can change a logo. Make sure that you are changing it according to the size that I have specified here. And then everything, this image, you change them. And this is where you change colors for store color, cat color, but leave them as a standard, this one, if you do not know. And then customer application, just leave it as standard, do not touch it. And delivery, okay, delivery guy earning, just if you are paying, you have your own amount that you are paying your deliveries, just leave it here. And just leave this one blank, do not tick it on. And store dashboard, just leave it that way. Most of these things are for me as a developer to be able to fast set your system. If there is anything, I come and check here. If you are facing some issue, I will come first and check here. So but what I recommend is that each and every time you log in, come here in setting and click here on cache settings. When you come here, double click this will help you to refresh the app. Sometimes people, when they are using an app, they just put lots of passwords, and somebody put password reminders and what. So, and this will help you to refresh the app or for anything there, and they will have a user experience that is good every day. And that is what you can only do. So that is the only thing that I can recommend, that when you come to settings, now and then just come here and force cache, just clear refresh app every time. Just refresh app whenever you remember to come in, refresh the app for people. And I think that's all that you just have to do. And everything that's all. There's nothing much on it. Thank you.